According to Life Law, the Supreme Court yesterday stayed the trial in a missing arms case against Kuki Revolutionary Army Chief David Hang Singh and United Kuki Liberation Front leader Hun Koshan Haukip while issuing notice on their plea to transfer the case from Manipur to Assam. A bench comprising Justice Abe S. Oka and Pankaj Mithal issued notice to National Investigating Agency NIA returnable on January 12, 2024. The petitioners filed the petition under Section 406 of the Code of Criminal Procedure seeking transfer of the trial from Manipur to Assam owing to the recent ethnic clashes and deteriorating law and order situation. The high-profile arms welfarist case was handed over to the NIA, which registered the case under Section 120 Clause B and 409 IPC and Section 20 of the UAP Act. The agency filed the charge sheet in 2019 where David Hang Singh and Hun Koshan Haukip were arraigned as accused persons. It may be mentioned that the prosecution had already examined 48 witnesses as on 3rd May 2023. However, the trial's progress has been marred by the recent ethnic clashes in the state.